Hey, it's Soren Jordansen here. I have a new launch coming called Audio Dollars on March 13th. And if you go here to audiodollars.com/JV, you get to this page and you can read all about it and you can sign up to promote, get your link from Warrior Plus. So it goes live Friday, March 13th, 10 a.m. Eastern on Warrior Plus. Got 75% front-end commissions, 50% on the entire back-end funnel, up to $285 per sale. Probably more. I've added some more stuff in there. But this video is the product overview video, and I want to show you what this thing actually is and what it does. So if we go in here, this is the members area for the front end product. And it has a few things in here. There's some bonus reports in here, quick start guide, AI testing report and stuff. And then there's a huge course in here with 17 modules, text and tutorial videos teaching them the entire method. And the method is using AI to write short audiobooks, getting them digitally narrated and publish them. A lot of them, you can do them quickly and then start stacking royalties. Of course, it's a lot smarter than that, but that is the base of it. Now, I'm not just gonna tell people to go put into ChatGPT to write me an audiobook scripts about, I don't know, horses or something. It is, of course, much more clever than that. We have designed an entire framework for these, not just prompts, but frameworks, the whole structure, emotional sequences and whatnot. Let's try to make a sleep story. And this is the prompt library here. So you see we have 16 different genres on the front end, 8 non-fiction and 8 fiction genres. But we'll do a sleep story for now. You can set your language. This generates the finished prompt, and you can give your own creative input. For a sleep story, let's do something about sunny summer meadow, tall grass, clouds in the sky. This should make a great sleep story. All right, that's it. That's creative input. So you get copy of finished prompt. I can go to my AI of choice right now. I'm using ChatGPT. I paste in the finished prompt that I just did. And you see, this is more than just a prompt. This is a whole skeleton for it. And here's my creative input and language choice, but the rest is our stuff here. And then if I hit go, ChatGPT will write a sleep story, something that people will listen to for 15-20 minutes trying to fall asleep, and this will make them drowsy and fall asleep. And there's a huge demand for stories like this that people can consume in bed, and other genres, something people can consume on the move, you know, during their commute, during their lunch break, that sort of stuff. All right, so it's writing away, and this, I guarantee you, is really, really, really good. And then what we teach is how to take this, put it into ElevenLabs, get it digitally narrated, and then publish it to multiple platforms. But we actually also teach how you can do that for free with ElevenLabs, get it narrated, listen to, earn from it without paying ElevenLabs for the narration at all. And then using the money you earn to then do the paid narration and put it on to more platforms for even more. So there's a completely free path through this, and it's even free with the AI too, because this is DeepSeek, one of the Chinese AIs. We tested it with this, and it is consistently one of the better AI models for actually executing our stories. So I'll just show you that it can do the exact same thing. And our system here works with just about any AI. It works with ChatGPT, it works with Claude, works with Gemini, but also with DeepSeek. So there is, and here is writing the story. It's a good one. I can already tell, just as ChatGPT wrote a good story. Right. Now I'm going to show you the first upsell, which is like the pro version, and that's where it gets really wild. So all that writes here, we're going in here, the pro version is custom GPTs that do longer stories, much better stories, has much more structure in how the stories are built and whatever, and it's a guided workflow. So you go in and start a new session. This is the one for fiction, and with the pro version they get 20 different genres, and will now ask me which one I want to do. And let's do a horror story. So that's number 6. It will ask me what language to use, and now I can give my creative input here. Let's do something Stephen King like. And that was my creative input, and now I was going to write a horror story. And it gives you a story plan first that you can approve, and this is very detailed, and you can make changes to this. You can request name changes to beats and whatnot, and it's giving all the beats here. For a horror story, it's unease, escalation, confrontation, climax, and resolution. And it asks you which title you want, but I'm happy with this, so we set it to writing. And while it does that, I can show you the non-fiction part here. For non-fiction, we have a seed engine because we want to generate some strong ideas. And here comes the 20 genres that we have in for non-fiction. And let's do nature visualization. That sounds fun. And here now we're generating a seed here. Actually, I like this one. Let's do that one. A walk through a redwood forest at dawn. And now it's gonna give me 3 ideas for scripts. Ooh, redwood morning after the night rain. That sounds good. We'll do number 3. Now it generates the seed. We can now go into the non-fiction writer and start a new session. We're going to copy the seed in. We select the correct genre. And we go copy our seed. We are going to write in English, but notice that you can do these scripts in just about any language. My creative input is there. And it's making the story plan, which I will approve. Let's check on how the fiction writer is still going and writing a great sleep story. And here we are now probably ready to approve this plan. And we set that to writing. All right, I have fast forwarded here a little bit, and my fiction horror story is now done. And that means I can show you the fiction editor that we have. We have the same genres here. We go 6 for horror, and now it's going to ask me to paste in the script. And what this editor does is it takes good stories and it makes them better. And it's going to evaluate this as if it's a professional editor and a fan of the genre. It's going to say what's good and what's bad, and it's going to propose a fix that I can approve. And it says it wants to reduce this because there is some redundancy and the story is too long, which honestly it is. It's a good story, very publishable as is, but this is going to make it even better. And now it's going to ask me if I agree, and I can approve it. I approve this, and it's going to make a revision brief that I can take back to the writer. And while it's doing that, we have finished our non-fiction nature visualization. The morning, the forest was still raining. I can copy that and I can take it into ElevenLabs, into a new audiobook. And you see this is formatted and ready for ElevenLabs. It uses the punctuation that they use to create the gaps and the breaks and the natural speech pattern or whatever. This is already, you can just paste it in and it's ready to go. And this is where I want to show you. So in here, you can publish to 11 Reader and earn when people do it, listen to it, or when they buy it. But you can do it with dynamic narration, which means you can publish for free, no credits needed. You can generate the audio and do it the normal way, which is also something we teach, but there is a free path, and there's a free path to making money. And it's totally free because you can do it with DeepSeek free AI, and you can use the dynamic narration free publishing in here. And just to show you, I have some books up on 11 Reader that are written with the Audio Dollars system, and I can go in, listen to this one, and listen to it in the voice of Michael Caine. So this is in here. This is earning money when people listen to it. And I didn't spend any money or credits on the narration. Now here we have the almost finished revision brief for the fiction story. So I just want to show you how that works. Once it's done, and it's almost done because it's doing the checklist. So now it is done. I can take that back to the writer, just paste that in, and then it redoes the story according to the revision brief and just generally makes it a better story. And it starts doing that now. So that's where we are. That's the product. For the front end, they get the 16 prompts or systems here they can paste into AI, and they can follow the path with the upsell. The main upsell, they get the whole system with 40 different genres, editors, seed engine, and all that stuff. But the core of it is, and it's all taught in the front end module, is sold for $17, to make these short audiobooks, do it for free, get them up potentially for free, and start stacking royalties, serving a very underserved market because people are craving these short audiobook experiences, and not many people are doing them. So that's Audio Dollars in a nutshell. I hope to see you on March 13th when we go live, ready to bank some 75% commissions. And visit audiodollars.com/JV. Get signed up to the JV list. Get your link from Warrior Plus. Get approved to promote. Read everything here. And at the top here, there's also a Google Doc with more information and affiliate tools and all that stuff. So that's it for now. Hope to see you on the leaderboard.